Hi, I'm Camila, and this is Maurice,
And we got two children here.
and they both attend daycare. What have we appreciated the most about the staff? I would say they're like family. Like we feel very comfortable having our kids here in their care. We love that they reach out to us about anything. They keep us open. If there's a problem, they send us a quick text, they call. We just love how comfortable our kids are with them.
Yeah, they love them, we love them.
Yeah.